Hey love bugs, it's your girl Disastrous Beauty coming back with the voiceover. So this unit was sent to me by ebonyline.com. So shout out to you, Ebonyline, for sending me this unit. This unit is in the style Bobbi Boss Ruby. Yeah. This unit comes with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back. Don't judge my nails. That's why I'm showing you guys that I'm moving, okay, and I bulk film. So a lot of these reviews that you're going to be seeing very, very recently were all filmed in the same day or consecutively, okay? So don't judge me. But anyways, y'all, this color, this cup, y'all just gonna have to wait to the outro, okay? Y'all just gonna have to wait to the outro. I'm not gonna say anything else about this unit. I'm just gonna let you guys see the outro. That look that I gave y'all, my son was in there harassing me, okay? So yeah, that look that y'all just seen, that was me and my son talking junk to each other. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna let you guys get to the outro. It ain't a whole lot I gotta say in this voiceover. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm Held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs in the outro. You gonna want to stay for this outro, honey. Trust me, okay? So I will see you there. Bye. Okay, y'all, so I am done styling this wig, and this is what I came up with. Before we even get into how I feel about this unit, y'all, I'm gonna tell you guys the specs and all that good stuff about this unit. This wig was sent to me by ebonyline.com, so shout out to you, Ebonyline, for sending me this unit. Okay, y'all, so this unit is by Bobbi Boss. It is in the style MLP0020 Ruby in the color LPEACH. This is what it looks like on the stock card. And I'm wondering, no, it's synthetic. I was wondering if it was human hair, because sometimes when I get these human hair wigs like this, I can never style them. Not sometimes, always when I get these human hair wigs that are made like this, I can't style them. But anyways, it says realistic 4-inch part, stylish volume, extra natural. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the back, and it's just showing you different ways you can style this wig. Y'all, don't judge my nails. For some reason, I'm missing 2 nails on this side. I have decided that press-on nails are not for me, along with this wig, okay? Y'all, I am definitely not feeling this wig. Like, y'all, it's a bust. I even changed my shirt. I was like, okay, maybe if I put on a white shirt, it won't look so, you know. It didn't help. It did not help, y'all. I don't know if it's the color. The wig, I feel like if the wig was in 1B, or even this color that the model is wearing, this color right here, which is RT270/4, if I had gotten that color, I feel like I would have been able to pull it off better. It's very, very rare that I say I cannot pull off a color. And I don't know if I've ever come across a color where I was like, you know, just no. I am right now saying no, okay? This color is not for me. It is not for me. I do not like it. I even tried adding some brown roots and was hoping, like, you know, maybe that'll make it not look so harsh. And it's just, the wig is just not for me, okay? It is not for me. You guys know, y'all were saying that the that purple bob, that made me look old. Oh no, honey. Obviously peach is what made me look old, okay? That purple, I can wear some purple, okay? Purple was fine. This makes me, and along with the style, y'all, I feel like I am in one of those movies, where them people wore them wigs back in the day, like, and I don't mean like back in the day like the 70s. I mean like the 1700s, okay? This wig is not for me. I am definitely not feeling it. I tried, like, I really, really tried. And I can't say it's the wig, it's the color. I think the color is not for me. And I am really disappointed, y'all. Okay? Like, I'm disappointed. Now, as for it shedding or tangling, obviously that is a non-issue. It's not a whole lot of hair. It's not a whole lot to even, you know, have to worry about shedding or tangling. I think it's the color. I don't know, y'all. It's not for me. You guys can let me know what you think, but I'm pretty sure we all are on one accord when it comes to this color. Like, yeah. But as for the unit, I want to mention, y'all, that the wig, I did say that it doesn't shed or tangle. It's not even a whole lot of hair, so if it was shedding and tangling, that would really, really be an issue. And this little hair, it just don't want to cooperate. But anyways, it's also not big head friendly. So I feel like a lot of times the shorter units are usually big. I have a friend with a very small head, okay, and she struggles finding wigs. And I feel like with this wig, it could, oh, and she likes short wigs. So for some reason, a lot of short wigs are super big head friendly, but this particular unit is not big head friendly, okay? It was really a struggle to get this unit on, which is another con for me when it comes to this wig. And I think I had Nuna or even Deja in my head, and it just, no. And then this little piece right here just sticks up. I don't know what Bobbi Boss was doing, y'all. I have no idea. Bobbi Boss, you sleeping on the job, sis. But yeah, so this unit is not my favorite unit, and like I said, it's mostly the color above anything else. The color is just not my cup of tea. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, as far as Ebony line, they have plenty other wigs. Check out some of their other wigs, or check out this wig in another color. Like I think, girl, child, they got it in a whole. They got ocean blue. I probably should have got blue. I don't know what made me get peach, but yeah, check out this unit in another color. I really think it would be a much better unit in a different color. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. So I'm gonna give you guys a full 360. Y'all know my kitchen is out in the back. First of all, the wig don't fit because it's too small, so it's extra out in the back. So don't judge me. Don't judge me, okay? So I'm gonna give you guys a full 360, and we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. On top of everything else, when I went in the kitchen, Juicy was ragging on me, honey, about my hair. So I really knew it was, I knew it was null and void, okay? So yeah, y'all, I am completely done. Let me know what you guys think. I will have a direct link to this unit down below. I know y'all probably like, girl, after you done ragged on that unit. Well, it's not the unit I'm really like talking about. It's really the color. I don't like the color. And I think the color maybe peach don't go with orange, okay? I have orangey undertones, and I'm thinking maybe they just don't go together. I don't know. But anyways, y'all, all the information about this wig will be listed down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, so even though I ranted and raved all the way through this video, okay? If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. Also, if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button, sis. Click it. I promise you will not be disappointed. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.